Introducing the tool that solves all your first world problems, the First World Multitool. One of its many uses is personal hygiene, like combing your hair wherever you go.
This feature is even pet approved. Just look at her.
Who are you? Who are you? Where's my treat? That feels good. That feels good. Keep doing it.
You can also use this multi-tool to effectively scratch your itching back.
This feature is even pet approved.
It's the same thing again. It's the same thing twice. Oh, but it feels good. It feels good. It's everything. Oh, I still not got no treat. Where's my treat? Oh, I still need a treat.
The First World Multi-Tool is perfect for cleaning your fingernails.
This feature is even pet approved.
Now flip the tool around and you can use integrated crayon to draw pictures or make notes. Attention customers! After California state law, this product is not deemed edible. Please don't leave it without supervision around animals or little children. It may contain toxic chemicals. You can pre-order your very own First World Multi-Tool on Kickstarter for $3.99.